I'm so pissed. It showed that it was, but my phone freaked out at the last minute. Get you.
Her GPS, because she has a GPS on her phone and it doesn't talk.
Get
So it's.
you. Look at him. He's getting under the pillow. Get you.
Cassie's beating him up. Oh. Anyway, I'm distracted.
I love how he gets under the pillow. It's so cute.
Okay.
He's crazy. He's trying to get under the pillow, but he can't get his little body under there.
Patsy says, I'm getting you. I get you, I got you with my hands.
My bare hands.
Oh!
All right. I've been drinking.
Oh no!
He's drunk.
I'll help you.
There he goes. There he goes.
Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna help you. He's gonna help you. He's gonna hide. He's doing it. No, don't bite me. Oh, they stink like beef.
They do. Hey! I'm so glad I have that on video. Stop! She's like, Mickey!
That could be worth $1 million. Doggy porn.
I don't think doggy porn is worth $1 million, or everyone would have $1 million. Hey! Scooter! He's horny all of a sudden.
Okay, cut it out. You guys better cut it out. You're not coming down. No, you're not.